I had a world of my own, everything would be nonsense. Nothing will be what it is, because everything will be what it isn't.
I invite you to a world where there is no such thing as time, and every creature lends themselves to change your state of mind. And the girl that chased the rabbit, drank the wine and took the pill, has locked herself in limbo to see how it truly feels to stand outside your virtue. No one can ever hurt you, or so they say. Her name is Alice. She climbs into the window through shapes and shadows. Alice. And even though she's dreaming, she knows. Sometimes the curiosity can kill the soul but leave the pain, and every ounce of innocence is left inside the brain. And through the looking glass we see she's faithfully returned, but now off with her head I fear is everyone's concern. You see there's no real ending, it's only the beginning. Come out and play. Her name is Alice. She climbs into the window through shapes and shadows. Alice. And even though she's dreaming, she's unlocked the meaning for you. This kingdom, good riddance, her freedom and innocence has brought this whole thing down. Her name is Alice. She climbs into the window through shapes and shadows. And even though she's dreaming, she's unlocked the meaning. Midnight's highness marching to she's unlocked the meaning for you.
And contrary-wise, what it is, it wouldn't be. And what it wouldn't be, it would. You see?